Hey there, classic car lovers. Welcome back to the channel where we bring you the best classic cars and trucks you can find on Craigslist. In today's video, we've got an awesome lineup of 10 Craigslist classic cars and trucks for sale, with prices starting as low as $1,500. Whether you're looking for a project car or something ready to hit the road, we've got something for everyone. So sit back, relax, and let's check them out. Car number 1, 1968 Chevy C20 Dump Truck, and is right. Price, $4,000. Located in Port Orange. With just 44,000 miles, this blue 3/4 ton truck features a 256-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission. Recent work includes a new master cylinder, brake lines, radiator, battery, and rear tires. The seller is moving out of state and needs to sell quickly. Car number 2, 1969 Datsun 1600 Roadster with hardtop, price $4,500. Located in Houston. This 1969 Datsun 1600 Roadster, featuring a manual transmission, is a motivated sale. The engine is reported to be strong, and the car comes with a new fuel tank, although it needs to be installed. No title is available, and it will need to be towed. This could be a great project car for someone willing to invest some time into it. Car number 3, 1980 Cadillac El Dorado, price $4,500. Located in Theresa with 120,000 miles, this green 1980 Cadillac El Dorado has been garage kept during winters, ensuring no rust. It's a rare diesel model, making it an interesting option for classic car enthusiasts. Car number 4, 1978 Ford LTD2. Price $5,000. Located in Mount Tremper, New York. This clean red 1978 Ford LTD2 sedan has new tires, brake lines, brakes, a battery, and new carpet. With only 76,800 miles, it's a solid car that's ready for its next owner. Car number 5, 1976 Ford Courier, price $1,500, located in Jefferson City. This orange 1976 Ford Courier is a true project vehicle. It has a 1.3-liter engine and manual transmission, but needs some work to get running. The odometer has rolled over at 116,611 miles, and the truck comes with a set of new points and tires that have yet to be installed. It's described as cute as a button, but will require a trailer for transport. Car number 6, 1978 AMC Pacer DL Wagon, price $2,700, located in Omaha. A light blue classic with an automatic transmission, this 1978 AMC Pacer DL Wagon has 27,000 miles, though the odometer has rolled over. The rear quarters are rusty, but the interior is in great shape, making it a good project or restoration candidate. Car number 7, 1963 and 1965 Chevrolet Corvair. Price, $3,800 pair, located in Morrell Park. 2 Corvairs, 1 manual and 1 automatic, are being sold as a package deal. The engines turn over and fire up with starting fluid, and the seller holds the titles. These cars present a great opportunity for someone looking to finish a classic pair. Car number 8, 1975 Corvette Stingray. Price $4,500. Located in Williamsville. This orange 1975 Corvette Stingray T-Top Coupe has 54,000 miles, odometer rolled over. Recent work includes a new gas tank sender, exhaust components, and a new starter. However, the car isn't running at the moment due to timing issues, and the rear frame may need welding. The driver's side window is stuck, but will go up when the car is running. Car number 9, 1975 El Camino. Price $3,000. Located in Mattydale. A rare find, this 1975 El Camino is well on its way to being restored. The floorboards have been repaired and the 350 V8 engine runs. The interior and exterior work are almost complete, and the car comes with a cap for the rear bed. Car number 10, 1966 AMC Rambler. Price $1,500, located in Lebanon, Pennsylvania. This 1966 AMC Rambler is part of an estate and will soon go to an estate sale if not sold online. The car hasn't been started or run recently, but it comes with a clear title. It's a great opportunity for a classic car enthusiast willing to take on a restoration project. That wraps up our list of 10 classic cars and trucks you can snag on Craigslist right now, starting at just $1,500. If any of these caught your eye, make sure to check out the listings while they're still available. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more great finds. And as always, drop a comment below and let us know which one was your favorite. See you in the next video.